him.
What? Devin. Oh my gosh. Come over here. There's... Okay, sorry. But there's... Oh my gosh. Is it huge? Oh. Yes! Oh my gosh. This is insane. Oh. Literally tons of agate everywhere. Oh. Oh my gosh. What? Oh. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me this is an agate right here. Don't tell me this is an agate.
It's a fucking water line. I don't even
Oh, I think this is agate right here. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's literally...
Can you tell me if this is jasper or not?
This is all agate. This is...
What is that?
Oh my gosh, that might be agate.
Mark this spot.
Yeah, mark this spot for sure. Oh.
Look at this shit.
Wow. Oh my gosh. This is insane.
I'm shaking.
Yeah, this... Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is insane.
Is that your
Yeah, it's my pile.